Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Afro Coding. Today I'll be talking about how to solve this issue. Now, if I try to drag the video from the source, sorry, you see that only the video comes with it, the audio doesn't come with it. So this was it was a big problem for me. So I tried to figure out how to solve this issue, this disturbing issue. So I try to go to try to figure out how to solve this issue. Probably going to the preference. It wasn't working out for me, so I decided to look through this place carefully, try to click all everything clickable to see if it will solve the problem. Now, if I click on this A1, this toggle the track, toggle the track targeted for this track. So if I click on it, if it's active, if I drag it, it doesn't work out. You see, the audio doesn't sorry, doesn't come with it. Now if I click on this A1, guys, what is this one? So what is this button? Sorry. Okay, show me the name. Okay. I'm trying to okay. The source pipe. Okay. I don't know. Okay, fine. If you click on this, then drag, you see that that it solved the problem. You see that the audio file comes with this video. Do you understand? So okay, this is called source partition for insert and overwrite. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so that is it. So when this is active, then you can see that the audio comes with it. So if I disable this and you drag again, you see that the audio comes with the video. Okay, so that is the solution to it. So always ensure that this A1 is active as it is right now. Another solution to this problem is this. Okay, if I disable this now, I drag, I drag, you see that so that the video file does the audio doesn't come with the video. Another way to solve this issue is to disable this V1. Okay, so if you drag, you see that the video the audio comes with the video. So even if I disable this, you see that the audio comes with it, with the video. So that is the second solution. So if this is active, so okay, sorry, okay, so that is the solution. So the first solution is to ensure that this A is always active. Okay, that is the first solution. Then the second solution is to, if you do not want this A to be active, you could also disable this V. Then okay, let me click on this. Okay, you see that it works. Let me disable this. Okay, it still works. You understand? So if you disable this, if you don't want this to be if you don't want to enable this, if you also disable this, it will work. Yeah, so you can see it works. So in summary, to ensure that the audio comes with the video file from the source, always ensure that number one, that this A is active. That is number one solution. Then the second solution is that you need to disable this. Okay, this v1, you need to disable it. That is the second solution. So you could choose any one of the two. So you just try and play around with this and with these settings, and everything should be okay. All right guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Drop the hit the notification bell. Drop your comment if you still got any other solution that is different from mine. Drop it in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.